Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Sonata battery. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Always prioritize your well-being by wearing appropriate safety gloves and eye protection. You will also need a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush to complete this task efficiently. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the battery terminals. First, find the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. Next, locate the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and usually a red cable, and disconnect it in the same manner. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Locate the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in place. Loosen or unfasten it completely. Now, carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of its tray. Be mindful of its weight. Take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any signs of corrosion and clean it thoroughly if needed. When installing your new battery, carefully place it into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, ensuring a snug fit for both. Double-check all connections before closing the hood. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. It's a simple way to keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.